is Are Ona Kakanfo in Yorubaland. Are Ona Kakanfo is a title given to a powerful defender of Yorubaland. In this video, I will be sharing with you what you need to know about this very important title. Are Ona Kakanfo was a title given to the Generalissimo, that is, the war general, during the old Oyo Empire and during the pre-colonial era in Yorubaland. This is how the Are Ona Kakanfo title begins in Yorubaland. The title of Are Ona Kakanfo was created to check the excess and frequent invasion and attack of Iba Are into Yorubaland. During that time, Iba Are were terrorizing Yorubaland, and when the then Alaafin of Oyo realized the enormous nature of this invasion and attack, he then created the title of the Are Ona Kakanfo. Are Ona Kakanfo duty is to watch over Yorubaland with the assistance of his assistant commanders. The title of Are Ona Kakanfo was introduced hundreds of years ago to the Yorubaland by King Ajagbo, who ruled over 700 years ago. Ajagbo, as a prince, was part of many military expeditions to fend off invaders and grew up a warrior, all the while nurturing ideas on how best to deal with military aggression against the kingdom. As he became the Alaafin, he created the office and the title of Are Ona Kakanfo, meaning Field Marshal or Generalissimo of the Alaafin's armies. Alaafin Ajagbo was the one who developed a strong military system in Yorubaland. He was the first to introduce a military formation that saw the emergence of the Generalissimo of the Yoruba forces. He, however, appointed his friend Oyo of Iwoye Ile, who was a military strategist, as the first Are Ona Kakanfo, that is, the Generalissimo of Yoruba Army. In the selection of the Are Ona Kakanfo, such person must be a great warrior and very courageous. Since the creation of Are Ona Kakanfo title, it has stopped the invasion of Yorubaland by external aggressors. During the time of our ancestors in Yorubaland, Are Ona Kakanfo used to be very powerful with the help of the Yoruba belief system at that time. They fight several wars and never lost any. As of today, 14 Are Ona Kakanfo have emerged. The following are the list of the past 14 Are Ona Kakanfo. 1. Oyo of Iwoye Ketu. 2. Oyatope of Iwoye. 3. Oyabi of Ajashe. 4. Adeta of Jabata. 5. Oku of Jabata. 6. Afonja Laya Loko of Ilorin. 7. Toyeje of Ogbomosho. 8. Edun of Gbongan. 9. Amepo of Abemo. 10. Kurumi of Ijaye. 11. Oyo Aburu Maku of Ogbomoso. 12. Latosa of Ibadan. 13. Ladoke Akintola of Ogbomoso. 14. MKO Abiola of Abeokuta. And the present one, which makes the Are Ona Kakanfo to the total of 15 so far, is Are Gani Adams of Arigidi Akoko. Thanks for watching.